Hello guys, Jignesh Jain here. This video particularly is for our Note 10 Plus, that is Note 10 Plus running on Android version 10 and One UI version 2.1. Yes, this was the latest update which we have received on our Note 10 Plus. So this particularly I'll be showing you how to install the Hex in One UI 2.1 version. Let me tell you that there is no different step for One UI 2.0 and One UI 2.1. But since I also wanted to show you the new theme, that is the iPhone type of theme for our One UI 2.1 by using Hex, so I have made this particular video, and this video would be a detailed video which will tell you how to install this from the scratch. So yeah, those who still have the problem installing the One UI 2. Installing the Hex on One UI 2.1 can go through this video. But before going into the installation steps, I'll show you how to use it. Basically, what are the features of this particular thing? So as you can see, the quick setting panels, these are the themed quick setting panels. You can also see the notifications panel. Other than that, the keyboard has been changed. If you go into the settings, this is how the setting menu looks. As you can see, the toggle bars are also on the toggle switch are also adapted for the iPhone style. So you can also see the dialer, the default dialer, that also looks like an iPhone style of dialer. So yes, this is very polished theme for our One UI 2.1. This has been released on the Hex installer theme, and I have myself designed the color combination for this particular theme. So without wasting your time, let's get into the installation procedure. Before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe, press the bell icon for the instant notification for whenever I upload my video, and like this video if it is helping you out a lot. Also, you can see the other things here. So let's get into it. So right now I have uninstalled everything that was related to the Hex installer, so that I can install it from the scratch, and you'll get the better knowledge of how to use this. So you can see that the theme which I am using right now is the default theme with the Note 10 Plus One UI 2.1. So I am using that default theme, and I have uninstalled everything that was related to the Hex right now. So now let's get to the work. First of all, go to the Play Store, search for Hex, and you will find this app. This is known as Hex installer, and this is the developer. He have also made another themes for our Hex, but first of all, just install this app. So once you have installed the Hex application, just open the Hex installer and give all the permission that it asks for. So first of all, grant the permissions. Then it will ask for install permission. Give every permission that it asks for. And once this has been all done, go to the preferences, or I will say just go to the back and click on the settings button, because you don't have all the theme installed here. So go to the Hex Plus mode. It will compile a Hex Plus theme. What we need to do is, first of all, install this. So it will install and it will open the theme store. As you can see, the new trial version of Hex Plus is installed. This is not the theme, but this is the base on which theme would be prepared. Then what we need to do is enable the Hex Plus mode. Once you see this right tick on here on the right hand side, you are confirm that the Hex mode has been enabled on this device. So once that has been done, you can again come back and get into the personalize and start theming. So the theme which I was using was iOS 13 theme, which is dark and night. So what you need to do is you need to download this particular theme in the Play Store first of all. And since it's a free theme, you can install it directly from there, opening the Play Store, and you will see this theme. So just select this. Once you have selected, you can see the primary and accent colors have been changed here. You can set up the colors as per your choice here. Whatever color you want, you can take it from here. See, as per your color choice, the theme would be changed, as you can see here. What I will do is, I have already made the best theme for myself which I like, so I will just get into the recent edits and select the theme which I have made. So right now, this is the theme which I have made and I am using right now. So I have just selected that theme. Other than that, there is an option for if you want to check the colors combination, you can just pause the video and you can see what are the settings and what are the color combinations that I have used here. That would give you a better idea of this. You also have dark mode themes. This would be applied when you select the dark mode from here if you want to. So both dark and light theme combination is available here, but I particularly use this for the light theme. For dark theme, I already have another theme in this. See, this is better for the dark mode if you want to, iOS dark 13, but this is also a chargeable theme. I have already paid for this. This is Hex plugin iOS dark for Samsung. So yeah, if you want the dark, use that. It is better color combinations, options and all. So what you need to do is, I'll again do with this the free theme itself. So what I do is iOS 13 theme, light mode, and what all apps are included in this. All the major apps are included. If I want to remove some more apps from here, I can do that. Other than there is in preference settings. This is very important for people to know. If you are using the navigation bar, like back and home buttons and all from the navigation bar, then what you need to do is you will have to keep the padding for the navigation bar height. But since I just use gestures, I have made it 0 here. This is very important or it will look ugly. So select this. Then this is the quick setting background transparency. As you can see, the quick setting background transparency changes from this particular thing. So you can set up this as per your likes. And this is the Node UI enabler. That is, the corners would be more of squarish than the roundish type. As you can see, it gets changes when it's selected or deselected. This particularly replace the 4G icon with the LTE icon if you want to. This option hides the battery icon because already percentage has been shown, then why waste this space. And this particularly changes the quick setting toggles. As you can see here, it changes as per your thing. And this is the gradient toggles. That is 2 colors in the single toggle itself. If you want to, you can enable it from here. Okay, I'll just show you this gradient toggles right now. This makes the keyboard rounded. If you want to remove the app icons and keep the default icons of One UI 2.1, then you can use this option. This is gray status bar. This is recommended. And this, if you have an S10, Note 10 and S20, then use this normalized status bar. Otherwise there is no need to use this. This particularly divides the notification. As you can see, there is a divider between the notifications here. Then if you don't want the dividers between the notification, just unclick the option. Now, as I have shown you the gradient quick setting icons. So here it is, quick setting gradient icon colors. So when I select the quick setting gradient icon colors, see, it has changed. It is into 2 colors right now, the gradient colors. If I select another color here, so see the icons have changed into the gradient colors. If you want to, you can use this, but this may look ugly, so do as per your likings. I won't suggest this. I'll just keep this white. That looks better right now because it's matching to the iPhone style right now. So that's it. Then you just need to build and install the theme from here. So it will take you to the high contrast theme Sky Black. Download that. It is free, so don't worry. The paid app is just that Hex installer app, which is paid. Otherwise everything is free here. So just install this theme when it ask you to do this. Once it is done, don't apply, get back, select build and install. It will compile all the assets itself. It will compile the theme. It will take some time depending upon the model you are using and the things that you are applying. Once it's compiled, it will ask you to install. So for the first time, it will also ask you to uninstall some of the theme. So click OK, don't worry about it. So once that has been done, it will ask for installing also. Go with the flow. Whatever it asks, just do it. So once that's done, it will automatically take you to the theme store, and you can see that 2 themes are available right now. So what you need to do is install this Hex Plus theme and use this try it out option. I'm not pressing it right now because it will stop the screen recorder. So first try it out. It will apply the theme. Then after that theme is been applied, go to the high contrast theme and click on apply. Yes, you need to first of all try it out. Then you need to go to the high contrast theme 2 and apply. Once this has been done, just reboot your phone and you will have that theme installed. So again I am repeating, go to the Hex Plus theme, press on try it out. It will apply this theme. Once the theme has been applied, go to the high contrast theme again and press on apply. After this has been done, it will just reboot your phone and the theme will be applied. So that's it guys. Take care.